Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm gonna explain about link component in Next.Js. The definition for the link component is a client-side transition between routes can be enabled via link component exported by NextLink. The core idea of the definition is we can consider this website as a client side. If the client can click the login button, then it will go to the login page. So here the routing has been achieved using the link component. So the routing achieved from the client side using link component. This is the basic idea of link component. Next we are going to see about the props which are used in a link component. First, href. It will define the destination of the component. It is required. So the components which we are going to explain from now are optional. We can use according to our needs. Next, as props. So it is used to mask the URL or to hide the proper URL. Next, legacy behavior. If we add this legacy behavior to the link component, definitely the link component should have the child component as a anchor tag. With this link legacy behavior, if I provide pass href, it will provide the href, which means destination and classes and styles to the anchor tag. So the class names and styles of the link component forwarded to the anchor tag. From now onwards, the props which are we are going to see are using boolean values. First, prefetch. By default itself, prefetch will happen when the link component coming into the viewport. So it can prefetch the route after clicking the link component by the user. The page will be routed or navigated toward the page in a fraction of time. Replace. Normally in link component we use history stack. This history stack is used to store the destination of the previous destination or current destination of the link tag. So if we provide the false, it will not use the history stack. Then if we provide the previous or back but click the back button, it will not navigate to the previous button. Directly it will navigate toward the home button. Home. Next, by default itself, the page will be scrolled when we navigate toward the destination. To disable this function, we can use scroll false. Shallow. Shallow is used to, by default itself, it is false. If we want a shallow, we have to mention true. So the advantage of using shallow is it will not refresh the page. It will change the URL name only. So let's start the practical demonstration for the link component. Let's start to implement the link tag. First, I'm going to import the link tag from Next.Js. Next, I'm going to provide the link tag inside the div tags. So link tag link and provide page. So I'm going to provide a very important props href, which is used to indicate destination. So here we have mentioned the path and we have to create a source in the path page.jsx. So I'm going to create a function and go to the index page. Open the terminal, start the Next.js application. Navigate toward the home page. Now we have reached the home page. If we click the page, we will directly navigate toward the destination page. You can see here. So Next, I'm going to explain as props, which is optional. The props which I'm going to explain from now onwards are all optional. We can use according to our needs. So I'm going to provide my name and go to the home page. Go to the home page. Previously, when we click the page, we directly navigate to the page source. Now also we have navigated to the page source, but the name has been masked. The name has been renamed. So this is what as props is working. Next, I'm going to explain about legacy behavior. We all know that if we use legacy behavior, we should use an anchor tag as a child for link. So we have to provide this and this. So first of all, I want to show what problem we are going to face if we didn't provide legacy behavior. So go to the home page. Go to the home page. Here you can see the error like please remove a tag or use legacy behavior. Now if we provide the legacy behavior and go to the home page, and it will remove the error, we didn't face any problem here. Next, I'm going to explain about pass href. So we have to use pass href only we use the styled components within the link tag. So I'm going to import the styled components and create a component with the styled components. First, create a variable called red link and styled dot anchor tag backticks. Within this backticks, I'm going to provide color red. So copy this red link and provide instead of anchor tag inside the link tag. So here we have to kill the terminal one time and rerun the terminal and close the terminal, go to the home page and refresh. You can see the color has been changed, and if we inspect here you can see the href, and if I remove this pass href and go to the front end, you can see the color has been removed and href has been removed. This is because if we use styled components, definitely we use pass href to pass the properties of link to the anchor tag of the styled components. Next, I'm going to explain about replace. First, remove this one and remove this legacy behavior pass href page. And here I'm going to provide replace and open the terminal, kill the terminal and remove the cache files. We have to remove all the cache files, otherwise it will not work. So again run the terminal, wait for a few seconds. Now if we click the page, it will go to the page, but here we cannot go back. This is because the props we have provide replace here. This is the props. This is how replace props have been helping us. Next, I'm going to explain how to use scroll. So here before link, I'm going to provide another tag called div header style height 200 viewport height. In the same way, I'm going to provide page. instead of page, I'm going to provide div tag, div and provide the style page header and provide another div tag and a div footer. So go to the index. This div tag will have the 220 viewport height and we will have the link page. Within this link, now we can remove the replace and I'm going to just click. You can see. So go to the home page. Here we have the header 220 viewport height. Here you can see the page. If I click, it automatically go to the top. You can see. For reference, go to the page and provide background color, background red. Okay, go to the front end and go to the home page and scroll down, click the page. So the scroll has been automatically moved to the top. You see that. So if I provide scroll false and go to the page, go to the home page and click the page. Now you can see the bar has not moved to the top. It has remained in the same position. So you can see the footer. This is how we can use the scroll false. Now we have reached the final part of this video. Please provide your thoughts about link component in a comment section. So if you have any doubt also, I will clarify that. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel and you will get the updates regularly on time. Thank you for watching this video.